coming to the end of the second week of the Karen Reed trial, the second week of voir dire. So the judge wants 4 alternate jurors, so 12 will sit on the jury. They're looking for 16. As of yesterday, they sat 15 of 16, so they very well can have a jury today. If not today, maybe tomorrow. However, Karen Reed's attorneys had petitioned the Supreme Court of the United States, and they asked for a pause in the trial because they believe that they have an issue that the Supreme Court may want to hear. And they did that through a writ of certiorari. And what that's basically asking is it's a request for the Supreme Court to review a lower court's decision, or multiple courts' decisions. The Supreme Court has not made a decision whether they're going to take the case on or not, but they did decide that they're not going to pause this trial. The trial will continue regardless of whatever they do at the Supreme Court level. So the basis of the writ is that there was a mistrial in the first case. After the first case, Karen Reed's attorneys learned that the jury was unanimous on 2 of 3 counts. I believe the counts were the second-degree murder and leaving the scene of a fatal accident. They're arguing that double jeopardy attaches and that they cannot retry her on those 2 counts. They've been unsuccessful in that argument thus far. That's why they're looking for intervention through the Supreme Court of the United States. So we'll see what happens there. I would imagine they're going to get into opening statements either tomorrow or Monday, and then testimony will begin, and they will try this thing again.